One of the places na we visited sa Thailand is ang Pattaya Island to check Kolarn Island because of its beaches. Now, sa airport, just go to gate 8. Merong bilihan ng ticket pa Pattaya doon. Then, just wait for the time for the bus. Around 2.5 to 3 hours ang ride papuntang Pattaya. Then, we used Bolt or Grab para pumunta sa pier papuntang Kolarn Island. So, may two option, yung regular ride or yung speedboat. Regular ride costs about 30 baht. Then, the speedboat costs 150 baht. So, we chose the speedboat kasi around 15 to 20 minutes lang compared sa 30 to 45 minutes ng regular boat ride. Then, susundan mo lang yung guide sa papunta speedboat. Usually around 10 to 15 passengers lang yung sakay ng speedboat and kailangan mong humawak dahil sobrang bilis niya. Makikita mo yung speed niya sa next clip. Ayan, ganyan. Compared dun sa regular boat. Once nasa island ka na, may option ka to ride a motorbike or yung pick-up na parang jeep nila. And we decided to choose yung pickup na parang jeep kasi masyadong mainit if magmomotor. Sayang naman ang gluta. Ayan. Tapos may pathway dyan papuntang TN Beach. And napakaganda dito dahil sobrang linaw ng tubig and yung sand is white. Yan. Mga 5 to 10 minutes walk from the terminal papuntang beach. Pero sulit naman dahil sobrang linaw at sobrang ganda. Yan ay sa TN Beach. Yung first beach na pinuntahan namin. Tapos pwede kang mag-rent ng table for 100 baht. Tapos may mga store dyan para makabili ng food. Then ito yung second beach. Yun yung Tawain Beach. Parang medyo super crowded dito kaya hindi kami masyadong nagtagal. Yan, maraming umbrella and chair para i-rent. Tapos you can buy food sa mga restaurant and isa-serve nila sa'yo dun sa umbrella mo. Ayan, just see the view. Free lang yung access sa beach. Ang babayaran mo lang talaga dyan is yung pag-rent ng chair and umbrella. Plus yung food. Pero may option naman for you to stay overnight. Maraming mga rooms and hotels sa island. So if you want to stay for a long period of time, you can do that. Yan, we decided to use the regular boat. It took us around 45 minutes pabalik sa Pattaya City. At yun lang. Hope na you learned something from this video.